Welcome! In this video, we are going to explore one of the most fundamental ideas in mathematics, area. What is area? Look at these two shapes. On the left, we have a wall, and on the right, we have a football field. Which one needs more paint to cover it? Obviously, the football field. It covers far more space. Area is simply the amount of flat space a shape covers. Every time you ask how much carpet fits in a room, how much paint covers a wall, or how much land a farm has, you are asking about area. The unit square, our measuring tool. To measure area, we need a standard unit. That unit is the unit square, a square with a side length of exactly 1 unit. Its area is 1 unit squared. Think of it like a tiny tile. The idea is simple. We count how many of these unit tiles fit inside a shape, and that tells us the area. For example, here are 4 unit squares placed side by side. That means the total area covered is 4 units squared. Area of a rectangle. Let's use this idea for a rectangle that is 6 columns wide and 4 rows tall. We fill it row by row with unit squares. Watch the count go up as each square is added. At the end, we have 24 squares in total. But we don't need to count every time. Notice that 6 columns times 4 rows gives us 24 directly. So the formula for a rectangle is area equals length times breadth. In this case, 6 times 4 equals 24 units squared. Area of a square. A square is just a special rectangle where all sides are equal. Here we have a 5 by 5 grid. The area is simply the side length multiplied by itself, side squared. 5 squared equals 25 units squared. That's it. Area of a triangle. Area of a triangle equals half times base times height. Now let's think about triangles. Start with a rectangle with base b and height h. Its area is b times h. Now what happens if we draw a diagonal line from one corner to the opposite corner? We cut the rectangle into exactly 2 identical triangles. Watch as they slide apart. Both are the same size and shape. Now focus on just one of those triangles. It is exactly half of the original rectangle, so its area must be half of base times height. And that gives us our beautiful formula. Area of a triangle equals 1/2 times base times height.
If you want to understand triangle area in more depth, including how this works for any triangle, not just right-angled ones, make sure to check out my dedicated triangle area video. I go much deeper there, including the parallelogram proof and the sliding vertex theorem.
See you in the next video.